Tony calls.
See, I'm back on my... See, I'm back on my bullshit. Ayy, see, I'm back on my bullshit. Came a long way from school, bitch. We them niggas been banging and walking with full clips. Pocket filled with them blue strips. All I hang with the solid, can't fuck with no loose lips. If he rat, cut him loose quick. If a fuck nigga try, bet his ass make the news quick. Hit his ass with these blue tips. But these niggas won't shoot shit. Cause these peons ain't stepping how my niggas stepping. Walk them down, but that teach them a lesson. I been kicking shit cool and got paper like Messi. Bitch, I'm Zion, yo old nigga red. She say that she love how my big ass be dressing. How that Audemars go with that neck. My features are dub, my shoulders a blessing. I got paper, I ain't doing no stress. The one who put all this together, that gave me something good and I made that shit better. Turned up the night, my watch changed up the weather. I'm bigger and better, shit bigger than ever. Thought they was running shit, I had to catch him. He tried with some funny shit, shoot it, go stretch. I ran up some money and never got selfish. I'm solid, I put my whole team on the blessing.
Okay, I think I haven't been on camera in like over a year, eh? So yeah, we're here with the Sylvia. We're very far along in the bodywork process, and then most of the things left to do is just reinstall parts after all the bodywork's done. The only big thing, we have the full engine harness that we ripped out, and I kind of want to do like a full custom harness with Haltech PDM and, you know, a nice switchboard and all that stuff. We'll see how far we get in that area, but yeah, obviously just trying to finish up the bodywork for now. But Grant's doing a mean job. We'll get him to go through, you know, what he's been up to. We'll chuck a bunch of B-roll on. I've been filming here, like, you know, pretty much every time that he's been working on it for the last year or so. We just got a bunch of B-roll. Haven't been getting on camera recently. Yeah, just basically refining all the lines, but it's taking its final form now and it's looking fucking sharp. Mostly been like chucking progress reels and shit on Instagram, so if you're not following me there, that's the best place to go and see the progress of the build. But yeah, once this thing's back on the street, we'll be doing a lot more videos, and obviously ramping up the videos as we get closer. But there's only so much sanding you can film, really. Like, it looks sick and it's fun to watch and it's mean to watch it come together, but I can only upload so many minutes of block sanding to YouTube. But yeah, it's looking good. Roof spoiler. Doesn't fit very well, but nothing has on this car. That's why it's taking so long, but that's all good.
Sharp lines, flat surfaces. It's basically, yeah, where we're at. As you'll see on the other side, there's going to be a gap through here that's going to be, because we want to keep this feature consistent all the way through. I haven't, yeah, it'll be there on the front. I don't know, what do you reckon on the back bumper? Have you had a look at that yet? I could add a little thing here, and then it'll fade out like the front. But I don't know, we're not there yet. Yeah, just panel gapping and block sanding. The panels are... So since the last video, you would have seen all the filler that we added as a skim coat, and you know, so where it's at now, basically that's all been refined down to its final finish. So this is now sealed, ready for paint prep. And we just, that's where this one is kind of at now. This one is, the rear guard is at the stage before these two. Like, all the white panels are now completed basically, ready for paint prep. So this one, you can see, even though we've got primer on the back, that's just to seal it like you see in one, you know, when it's in one color, it's just easy to see, and then when it's like this, you can't see shit. So after that's done, it'll now get painted like that. Same with the side skirt, although that's gonna be another small mountain to get over. But I'm gonna do this rear guard and the other rear guard first. Then the whole body is done. Then we'll do the side skirts. Because what we're trying to do is actually section out the side skirt, or actually the whole body kit, so that we can make space for the aero. Because the look of the aero needs to be there, but it can't be another 50 on, you know, on top of that. So, because the front is what's it, Duraflex?
Yeah.
fucking dure, whatever. We can't really section that out the same way. We can't work with this material the same way we can with fiberglass. There you just get the grinder in, chop it. It's a bit more difficult with this, so you can run it as a second, you know. Or like we were saying, this is the daily driver. Because bro, those bumpers, just by itself, is going to get so smashed up. Imagine it with a thing still on it, an aero kit. So, yeah, fiberglass bumper, section that, section the side skirt, maybe around 20 mils. You know, make it sound like it's a 5-minute process, but anyways. There's the bonnet also. Fuck. Look at this. Front guard's also done. Yeah, like it's actually just looking at the, you know, this is the first one I've actually done this in that Renault. Now that type of body blocking. And you can actually see it in the finish. Yeah, unfortunately, it just takes a bit of time. What else is there to fill in here? Yeah, just put some filler in, sand some filler out, check it. Put some filler in, sand some filler out, check it. And then it's incorrect, and then you go again.
It's funny, should we go over here and show all the parts? So this is all the parts that have been sitting in boxes for the last 2 years or so. We got all of this. These are mostly engine components. This is all interior stuff. I think these are the old rubbers. So if you want to buy some decent condition S13 shit, this is a bunch of dash components. We got the flock dash. We got a fucking brake pedal. Don't even remember buying half of this shit. We got a hydro in there. We're still going to be doing all of that. And there's a million fucking bolts and whatnot over here. So, yeah. It's but this is the most that it's looked like a car in probably 3 years since we started ripping it apart. So, yeah, it's every day it's looking a little bit closer to finish. So, we out here. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.